Oh, I definitely almost clicked start streaming. Anyways, hello, I am Avital Elizabeth, and I have just received a package today, Wednesday, February 5th, 2025. And I'm pretty sure I know what's in it, so I decided to record my opening it because I cannot wait to open this package until I'm live. Yeah, I know what this is. You have no idea how excited I am right now. Man, no, I can't really read it. Well, I can read it, but I won't understand a lot of it. But just look at it! Look at it! Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful! It's so gorgeous! Look at it! Not only that, also... I also have this. Not only. Not only do I have Ordem Paranormal RPG Livro de Regras, I also have Ordem Paranormal RPG Sobrevivendo ao horror. Yeah. It is really difficult to fully put into words how happy this makes me. Like, just being able to have, like, the physical book, like, of Ordem, you know, like, Cellbit did this also. Felipe de la Corte and Pedro Coimbra. Yeah, I met those guys at Gen Con last year. They're super cool. And if all goes well, they should be at Gen Con again. I love that, like, this huge international gaming convention happens in my city, in Indianapolis. It's fantastic. It gives me, like, such cool opportunities sometimes. I tell you what, such cool... I'm trying to open this, actually. And I'm having difficulties. Alright, who wants to have, read-along time? Can't get it open. We'll just have bedtime, story time, where I just read the rule book out loud. Why? Because why not? Like, honestly. Oh my god. This RPG means so much to me, and apparently, I don't know, I probably shouldn't look at the art that's inside the dust jacket on the book of this book, because apparently there's maybe some spoilers. But look at this book. Without the dust jacket, it's still just so freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Also, despite the fact that I am energy, personally. I happen to be wearing this to class today, to school today, to university, so... Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it has texture. Oh my god. Alright, let's like open it for the first time. Although apparently there's spoilers in some of the art too, so hopefully we'll get lucky. Open it for the first time and see what page we turn to. Ah, a simple page. A origem do paranormal. Manifestações paranormais. O estado da membrana. Okay. Let's try another one, out of curiosity. Whoa. That's a big guy. Kerberos. If that's a spoiler, whatever. Like, it's a big, bloody creature. You know, it's fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna read about it. Let's see. Whoa. Espretador. A lot of eyes here. A lot of eyes. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. O que existe do outro lado? Oh, hey! Let's not look at whoever this is. I've met all of these characters! Now, I just met this one fairly recently. I don't know who this is, though. So I'm covering them up. And obviously, I know who all these people are. Of course. Of course. People and creatures. Now, Sobrevivendo. Horror. That's not an easy word to say in Portuguese, honestly. You are so beautiful to me. I'm currently playing in an Ordem campaign live on Malfunctioning Games Twitch channel, where we are playing survivors. It's very fun. Aiden Reynolds is my character. Man, there's lots of eyes. Lots of eyes. Alright, let's open this up to a random page and see what we see. Conhecendo o terror. A fairly simple page, not much on there except I think that's Nidere. Not much on this page besides that guy. That guy. Evolução por patentes. Ooh. Look at this green guy. Espectro inesquecido. No, I don't know who that is. It's somebody. Oh, there's like little like maps and stuff. Is there there's missions actually, right? Is there not? That's really cool. Anyways. I don't want to risk. I don't know if there's spoilers in there or not. I don't know if I want to put the dust jacket back on. But now I have 3 books. I have Iniciação. I have Sobrevivendo ao horror. And I have Livro de Regras. I got it. After I got Iniciação, I made this this like long sappy thread on Twitter about how much Ordem means to me, and honestly, I could just get sappy and talk about how much it means to me. I still just, the steps that led me here are wild, right? Like, if I took you back through the whole process, I never would have found Ordem, Cellbit, if it hadn't been for actually COVID. Isn't that a wild thing to think about? Like, if COVID hadn't happened, I don't know if I would have ever been introduced to Cellbit or any other Brazilian creators. It's such a strange thing to think about. Like, not everything that came out of that was bad. For me, at least, so that's nice. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna like edit this or what, or I mean, I want the other books, but who knows. Thank you, Brazil, Cellbit, for everything. I'm doing cool stuff because of this, because of you all Brazilians. So, thank you. Obrigado. Gracias. Todaraba. Arigatou gozaimasu. Dankeschön. Vielen Dank. All those things and more. Thanks. Thank you. See you later. Guess what? I got another package. And again, I was kind of streamed today. It is Friday, February 7th. I was gonna stream, decided to not stream just because I was busy, and someone's coming back today. Good timing. Unboxing time. I'm so excited. I think we're just gonna have to rip it. Yeah, just rip it, I think. I need a knife. This is, well packaged. 1 second, I'm right next to the kitchen. Also, when you're cutting, be careful. Cut away from yourself. Knife safety, it's important. It's important. Important. This is not as easy to get into as the last one, my gosh. Good golly. Gee whiz. Alright. We're getting somewhere, finally. Okay. This is a way better package than the other one. They obviously came from different places. So. Oh my gosh. I cannot. Please. Please. Let me open my box. My package. I haven't even shown you guys. Yet. Oh my god. Okay. It's reflecting so much. O Segredo na Floresta. Parte 1 e parte 2. Yes! These, obviously, are not available in English, so, like, I will definitely have to read them at least just to see the art. Because I haven't seen, I've seen a little bit of, like, little pictures when they first were coming out, but, like, oh my gosh. Maybe you will read them in the Discord. I'm so excited. Holy moly. Okay, alright, we're gonna open these up, like, all the way. I have them, I have the things. I have so much Ordem I have so much Ordem so much Ordem Paranormal stuff right now, like, my gosh. Okay. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Oh, man. It's freaking gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, it's so cool. Ooh. There's art. There's little bookmarks. Hold on. Okay. Joey. Joey. I like how they have the origins on the back of them. That's so cool. It won't focus because my face is in the way. I feel like I'm gonna have to actually do some editing with this where no one's ever gonna see it. Joey. Chris. Ooh. This machine kills fish. Arthur. Arthur. Focus on him. There he is. Yes. And then Cesar. There he is. We open the book. Ooh, it's beautiful. I forgot about, like, these. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, there's like a recap. A really quick recap. Oh, and the Joey. It's the Joey. It's Joey. It's like the origin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Oh, Chris. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, and there's Arnaldo and Chris. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I don't need to apologize, but, like, oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Just the fact that you get to do this and then you get to see these extra things that you didn't get to see, like in the RPG. Oh my god. Oh. Well, the thing you're not supposed to touch, the black goopy thing. Okay. I did not expect to react that way. Oh my god. Maybe I should have done this live, huh? Instead of just recording it for like a video or whatever. Okay. Alright. Now we're opening up part 2 of The Secret in the Forest. You know what I just Duolingo my Duolingo Portuguese, it just the other day taught me Floresta. It just taught me Floresta. I was just like, man. I'm like, bro, I've known that word for a long time, okay? Long time. Here it is. Ah. Part 2. Oh, man. Ah. Oh. Oh, and then here's. Oh. Oh. Team Kelvin. Oh. I don't know if I can hold these all at the same time here. Let's see. Team Kelvin. That's so cool. Like, oh my god. I like how the origin is just bodybuilder. That's just English. I have lost their names. Their names have left my head at the moment. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's open this one up, huh? Part 2. The Secret in the Forest. Oh. Kwashini. Oh my god. Oh no. Wow. Wow. I'm sorry. No, they just... I'm already emotional here, and then I open the book and they immediately hit me with the recap of, you know, Brulio. Brulio, that every time I talk about him, it ruins me. Oh, the blacksmith. Alright, no, it's so cool. I should have done this live. It's fine. I'll post a video or something, maybe. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna... Initiation. Got the secret in the forest. Part 1 and part 2. Hold on. How many things can I hold at once, huh? Ugh. The rulebook. And the supplement. Ugh. Yeah. This is difficult to do. Why am I doing this? What is that? Maybe that'll be the thumbnail. Oh my god. And no, I don't speak Portuguese. I'm learning though. I'm studying. I'm learning. I'm gonna read these anyways because I know the story and I need to see the art and what they do with it and yeah, so Ordem Paranormal means a lot to me, in case you didn't know. I don't know how much editing I'm going to put into this video. But thank you everybody. Cellbit. All the players, all the people that worked on all the books, all the Brazilians and other Ordem fans that came into my Twitch chat and stuck around. Thanks for everything. Like, we're just getting started, right? We're just getting started. Every story has a beginning. Mine's just getting started. See you guys soon.